Okay, great. So now you got your Stripe account set up. So the next thing that we want to do is just go to our profile details and just edit our profile details. So there's a few things that we're going to edit here. We want to put in our name, okay? And these things that we're editing, they're actually going to show up on the invoices that we create. So that's why we want to edit them. Our name, that typically is going to be your company name. So it's going to show up on your invoice. So typically what you're going to put here is your company name. If you don't have a company and you're just a person, you can put your personal name here, but typically it's always good to put your company name here. I'm gonna put Invoicing You Training here, okay? And you'll see in the later video, whenever we create our first invoice, you'll see exactly where this information shows up on your invoice. And just keep in mind, you can come back and edit it anytime that you want, all right? Then we wanna put in our details. I'm just gonna put invoices for Invoicing You training videos, okay? This is also going to show up. This is also going to show up on your invoices, and this is a good place for you to put your company motto or your mission statement or a general description about what your invoices are typically about. And then you want to go in and actually update your logo. So I'm going to go in and actually find a logo here real quick. And I'm going to go in and find some logo here. This one here is for Invoicing You. So I'm going to just find this logo here. And then I'm going to go ahead and update my profile. All right. And like I said, all this information is actually going to go and show up on your invoice. And like I said, keep in mind, you can go back in and you can change this information anytime you like. You can go back in and edit this information anytime you like. And that's all we need to do right here in the settings tab. So we're going to go ahead and move on to the next video now.